Hi, this video is for English listening practice. I speak slowly and clearly. Listen carefully. Listen again and again. Improve your English step by step. Welcome to English Listening Vibes. Farmer Life. Simple English listening. I am a farmer. I live in a village. My life is simple. My work is farming. I wake up early every morning. I wake up before the sun rises. The air is cool and fresh. The sky is quiet and calm. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I say my morning prayer. I feel thankful for a new day. Then I drink some water. I prepare to go outside. I wear simple clothes. I wear old shoes. I take my tools with me. I walk to my field. My field is not very far. I enjoy the morning walk. Birds are singing. The sun is rising slowly. The light is soft and warm. Nature looks beautiful. I reach my field. I stand and look around. This land is my life. This land feeds my family. I check the soil first. The soil feels soft. The soil feels wet. Good soil is important. Then I check my crops. The plants are green. The leaves are fresh. Some plants are growing fast. I feel happy when crops grow well. Good crops mean good food. Good crops mean good income. Good crops mean hope. I start my work. I remove weeds from the field. Weeds are bad for crops. They take water and food. I work slowly. I work carefully. I do not rush. Farming needs patience. After that, I water the plants. Water is life for crops. Without water, plants die. I use water carefully. Sometimes it is very hot. The sun burns my skin. Sweat falls from my face, but I keep working. Farming is hard work. It needs strength. It needs time. It needs dedication. I take a short rest. I sit under a tree. I drink some water. I wipe my face. I look at the sky. I feel tired but peaceful. This work makes me strong. This work makes me proud. After resting, I work again. I check for insects. Some insects damage crops. I try to protect my plants. I do not harm nature. I respect the land. The land respects me back. This is our relationship. By noon, the sun is high. The heat is strong. My body feels tired. It is time to go home. I walk back slowly. My legs feel heavy, but my heart feels light. I finish my morning work. At home, I wash my hands. I wash my face. I change my clothes. I feel relaxed. My family waits for me. We eat lunch together. The food is simple, rice and vegetables. This food comes from farming. This food comes from hard work. This food gives us energy. I feel grateful. After lunch, I rest. I lie down for a while. My body needs rest. Rest is important too. In the afternoon, I wake up again. I drink tea. I talk with my family. Then I go back to work. Sometimes I go to the market. I sell vegetables. I sell grains. This is my income. The market is busy. People talk loudly. People buy and sell. Life moves fast there. I return home before evening. The sun starts to set. The sky turns orange. The day feels complete. In the evening, I visit my field again. I check everything once more. I make sure crops are safe. This gives me peace. Then I return home. I wash again. I sit with my family. We talk about the day. At night, we eat dinner. The food is warm. The food is filling. We feel satisfied. After dinner, I rest. I feel tired. My body needs sleep. Tomorrow is another day. Before sleeping, I think. I think about my work. I think about my crops. I think about the future. Sometimes farming is difficult. Sometimes rain does not come. Sometimes crops fail. This makes life hard, but I do not give up. Farming teaches patience. Farming teaches hope. Farming teaches strength. I believe in hard work. I believe in honesty. I believe in nature. This is my way of life. I am not rich.
But I am honest. I work with my hands. I work with my heart. Farmers feed the world. Farmers feed families. Farmers feed nations. This work is important. I feel proud to be a farmer. This is my identity. This is my life. This is my story. Every day is not the same. Some days are easy. Some days are very hard. This is farmer life. In the rainy season, I feel hopeful. Dark clouds fill the sky. The sound of rain feels good. Rain gives life to crops. I watch the rain carefully. Too much rain is bad. Too little rain is bad. Balance is important. When rain comes on time, I smile. The soil becomes soft. Seeds grow well. Plants become strong. Sometimes floods come. Water covers the field. Crops get damaged. My heart feels heavy. But I stay calm. I accept nature. I learn from problems. This is farming wisdom. In winter, the mornings are cold. Fog covers the land. My hands feel stiff. But work continues. I wear warm clothes. I walk slowly in the field. Plants grow quietly. Nature rests a little. Winter crops need care. I protect them from frost. I check leaves every day. Small care makes big change. In summer, life is tough. The sun is very hot. The soil becomes dry. Water is very precious. I wake up even earlier. I work before sunrise. I save my energy. Smart work is important. I use water carefully. I do not waste it. Every drop matters. Water is life. Sometimes my back hurts. Sometimes my hands ache. Pain is part of work. I accept it silently. I do not complain much. This land depends on me. My family depends on me.